Hey everyone, I'm back with another course about Git and GitHub from beginner to expert. In this course, you will learn about Git from installation to all the commands required in 21st century. You will also learn about Git by contributing to open source projects, and you will learn about how GitHub profile can make a difference in your career. You will learn about the purpose of creating issues, pull requests, branches, and releases of your project. That's not enough, right? I know. In this course, you will also learn the process of joining multiple organizations and create your own organization and then working with your team. So, who am I? I am Slim Coder, a software engineer and currently struggling with YouTube. Interested? Then don't forget to save the playlist, subscribe to my channel, and let's do Git together. See you soon.